What is up, everyone? This is Kevin with Tuned in Washington, and right behind me is our newly acquired 2011 Lotus Evora. This is the base Evora, not the supercharged one, but I'm going to tell you why this is the best entry-level exotic car that money could buy. RS, got another R8, 911 Carrera 4. A fun coupon, right?
Yeah, fun coupons, I like that.
And I'll be right back.
Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What is up, everyone? We're finally here at Diplomat Motors, non-sponsored, but they did a very good job getting me approved for financing on this 2011 Lotus Evora. This is the naturally aspirated version, and this will be the new content car. Don't worry, we're still gonna do the Lexus videos. All right, let's start things off with looks. Taking a look at the Lotus Evora. Really nice styling. Definitely looks exotic. If you pulled this up to a Lamborghini or Ferrari, it should blend right in, but without the price tag of those higher end sports cars slash supercars. All right, so the engine is in the middle, like how an exotic car should be. It's a mid-mounted Toyota sourced 3.5 liter V6, also known as the 2GR FE. Very reliable, unlike your typical Lamborghini or Ferrari. And there's the 2GR FE. This is just a beauty cover, and it sits right in the middle of the Evora. One may argue that the Toyota 2GR doesn't nearly push enough power to equate supercar levels of performance, but I would say reliability wise, for an entry-level supercar, you want something that Toyota made. So like I said again, unlike a Ferrari or a Lamborghini, you're not gonna have to worry about your maintenance, the engine blowing up, high service bills, oil changes, stuff like that. The transmission is also Toyota sourced. It's from a Toyota Hilux. So the one I have in here is a 6-speed manual, very short gearing. I do have the sport option and the better gearing in this particular model with the 2+2 and the sports package. And that gives you also the sports exhaust along with the sport mode and a few other options. The interior's got a nice exotic layout. First off, you get 2 Recaro buckets. Very nice leather wrapped door sill, as well as leather all over the interior, including the dashboard and your door panels. Brushed aluminum on both the dash and your center console here. Aluminum shift knob. This one I did change out because the leather OEM one was starting to wear out. Aluminum on the steering wheel. And you do get back seats. Pretty practical, I would say, although you can't really fit in the back here. I'm gonna attempt to sit in the back seat just for you guys. So, foot in, try not to hit your head. I'm 5'8", so I should fit back here. And this is how you would sit. So this is my driving position at 5'8", and this is the amount of room we have back here. You could probably put a kid back here, but a full-grown adult, your knees would be hitting the passenger seat, as you can see on this side, and it would be sticking out the door. You can't even drive this vehicle the way it is. Also notable is the AP Racing brakes that you get along with the drilled rotors. Wheels are double staggered, 18s up front, 19s in the rear, and they are forged. Prices for the Evora vary on your trim level, mileage, and condition obviously, but I would argue for around $40,000, there's nothing that looks like this on the road that you can get. I mean, for $4,000 you could either get a Honda Civic Type R, GR Corolla, and a few other options on the market, but nothing looks like this for the amount of money that you're spending, and you're getting exotic looks for that money. People sleep on the 2GR, but this thing does sound great, especially for a Toyota motor. Reason being is, one, the engine is mounted right behind your ears. Two, the exhaust routing is shorter than what you would get on your Lexus and Toyota products, for example. So this thing absolutely screams the red line, as I've demonstrated on the beginning of the video. Well, that's it for this episode of Tuned in Washington. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next video. It's Kevin signing out.